Nature is the beautiful creation of the God, which He blessed to us as a precious gift. Nature is everything which surrounds us, like water, air, land, forest, animals, sun, moon, and so on. So today I have come with such nature's gift, which is moon, highlighting the beautiful effects of the moonlight on the countryside in the poem named Silver by the poet Walter de Mare in his sonnet of 7 double rhymes. In the poem, there is serenity all over. The night is shiny with the silvery shine of the moon. All the things and animals are drenched in the silvery shine of the moon. As the moon walks silently over the human settlements, everything turns into silver color. So let's begin the poem. Slowly, silently, now the moon walks the night in her silver shoon. Here, in the first couplet, the speaker begins by setting the scene of the moon slowly moving in the silence upon the landscape. That moon is transforming the land in the ways that one might not expect. Here, the silver shoon means the silver shoes of the moon. It suggests that the moon is wearing its silver shoes and spreading the silver color everywhere. A silver-slipped moon is walking the landscape slowly but also silently. The night time is a time for reflection and contemplation. Let's see the second couplet. This way and that she peers and sees silver fruit upon silver trees. The moonlight permeates the landscape during her walk. This metaphoric moon peers and sees as a person walking the landscape. By personifying the moon as one who walks the landscape at the night, the poet has given the human quality. In the speaker's crystalline snapshot of his night walk in the silvery moonlight, he is creating a scene of beauty and stillness that complements the sun's golden features of the day. Let's see the third couplet. One by one, the casements catch her beams beneath the silvery thatch. The speaker then observes that the whole vantage point of his capability is bathed in silver. The poet tells that one by one, the casement, which means the windows which are beneath the grass roofs, catch her rays. So, the windows of every cottage he has privilege to view are also bathed in that marvelous silver. The thatch, which is the roof of the grass or the leaves, are flowing with silver, and everything is swimming in this mercurial silver. Let's see the fourth couplet. Couched in his kennel like a log, with paws of silver sleeps the dog. Human being here loves their dog as a man's best friend. Therefore, the speaker has observed that the dog in his kennel, that means his house, is lying like a log or a piece of a wood without any movement and resting lazily at night. His paws are reflecting the silver light of the moon. Let's see the next couplet. From their shadowy coat, the white breast peeps of doves in silver feathered sleep. Here, in this couplet, the poet tells the nature has offered many scenes of observation. In their shadowy shelter, the doves are seen sleeping in the silver of the moonlight. The breasts of the doves are peeping out from their shadowy coat. The coat means the bird's shelter. And like all the creatures of nature, heretofore portrayed, the doves sent forth the majestic beauty of the moon's silver. Let's see the next couplet. A harvest mouse goes scampering by, with silver claws and silver eye. The poet tells a harvest mouse is a nocturnal animal. That means the animal that comes out in the night time. Therefore, they go on scampering by, or they keep on running by quickly in the fields in the night time. And the silvery moonlight catches its claws and eyes. The silvering of the moon offers equal opportunity that no one is left out and no one escapes it. Thus, rinsed by the silver moonlight, even the tiny harvest mouse becomes an important player in the scenario of the silver moonlight play. Let's see the final couplet. And moveless fish in the water gleam by silver reeds in a silver stream. Here the poet tells that having lived with fish in the bodies of water, in rivers, creeks and lakes, the motionless fish gleams, which means it shines in the water of the silvery reeds. Reeds here means the riverside plants. The fishes in fact take their existence among the reeds as they swish through the water with the goal of continued existence. Their way of glorifying this creator in any way they can at the evolutionary stage of existence. So that's all about the poem, wherein the poet has marvelously captured the wonderful silvering of things as they appear in nighttime. Blessed with moonlight upon them explains the nature of the poetry and defines that form as a crystallization of thoughts and language. If you are new to my channel and you wish to get more such interesting poems, don't forget to press the red subscribe button and click on bell icon to receive the latest updates. Do like, share and comment the video. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Happy learning.